Are you ready to unlock the secrets of making money with AI? In 2026, artificial intelligence isn't just a tech trend, it's the backbone of the economy. Every day, people are leveraging AI tools to generate income. Some are creating businesses, while others find ways to earn passively. Yet, surprisingly, many remain unaware of how to tap into this wealth. In this video, we'll explore how to profit from AI, even if you're starting from scratch. No hype, no false promises, just actionable strategies. Let's dive in. We are experiencing a huge shift in income generation, comparable to the early internet days. In the 2000s, websites were gold mines, and in the 2010s, social media reigned supreme. Now, AI is the money-making machine of 2026. Artificial intelligence isn't here to replace you, it's here to empower you. Those who embrace AI will surpass those who don't. The real opportunity lies in utilizing AI to build your income streams. Let's discuss 5 practical ways to make money using AI right now. First up is AI content automation. This method is booming. With AI tools, you can easily write scripts, generate ideas, create voiceovers, and edit videos. Imagine managing a YouTube automation channel or a niche blog, all functioning on AI. Next, consider AI freelancing and services. Many businesses need help navigating AI. If you master AI tools, you can sell services like chatbot setups or automated workflows. Another exciting area is AI-powered digital products. From ebooks to online courses, AI can help you create valuable products faster, allowing multiple revenue streams. Now, let's talk about AI and investing. With tools that analyze market trends, you can make smarter investment choices. You can even start a YouTube channel dedicated to these strategies, attracting a high-value audience. Finally, there's the potential of starting an AI automation agency. Companies want results. By learning automation tools, you can help streamline processes for businesses, earning steady income. It's crucial to understand that not all AI income strategies are the same. They can be categorized into 3 levels. Level 1 is using AI as a tool. It helps you work faster but limits scalability. Level 2 elevates this by using AI as a system, allowing income generation even while you sleep. Level 3 is where real wealth forms. AI becomes the backbone of your business. So what skills do you need? Thankfully, you don't have to be a tech guru. You need to understand AI tools, learn automation, and adopt basic marketing skills. Avoid the biggest mistake. Don't use AI randomly. Focus on mastering one income model. As you gain expertise, you can scale it effectively. By the end of 2026, AI will be ubiquitous, but only those executing these strategies will benefit financially. The opportunity is still available. You can create wealth with AI today. If you're eager to grow your income with AI, this channel is tailored for you. We provide insights on AI strategies, tools, and automation systems. The AI revolution is underway, but the choice is yours. Will you use AI to scroll or to earn? Subscribe now, and let's build wealth together.